coming to work today. Been off for the weekend, and she won't start. We'll see what's going on with her. I'm not really sure. 100%. It's like it's not getting fuel. It's turning over. Try priming it. I don't have a can to use it. I was gonna try that, but so it's not the fuses. I just went through a multimeter, check continuity on the fuses, just because it's not those. It's got to be a vacuum. It's got to be a vacuum leak or something. I don't know. I'm getting hungry. I think I'm gonna grab something to eat. We'll see, huh? We'll figure it out. Maybe I'll have to go back home. It's an hour south of here. Without my truck again. So they're going around Monday. But I got permits because I'm oversized. So I don't know if when the permit's good for, etc., etc. I want to get my week started early, but oh well. All right, my guy Jordan out here at Tucker. Oh, by the way, I got a GoPro too, guys. I'm gonna start doing that here soon. But here, I'll show you. I got a leak. So when it was priming, there's air in the system, in the fuel system. He hooked the fuel tank up to here with a an air pig full of fuel. He hooked that up to it, plugged it in, started the truck, and it's running. Only thing is, I can't shut it off till I get that fixed. So yeah, sweet. I was worried I was gonna have to go back home and waste my time. Turns out I don't have to. Pretty excited. Alright guys, clean my truck up, put this maintenance on the maintenance, and then hook up to my trailer and get on the road. Alright, check it out guys. I haven't started using it yet, but got the GoPro. Found one used at a pawn shop for 130 bucks. So I just started doing some GoPro stuff so I can be hands-free. I got a little chest plate, but I'm not gonna use it first. I'm gonna try the head mount. Try that first. Also, don't mind the mess. Oh yeah, that's another thing I got. I got some software for my computer that's for video editing. So I got that too. It's Magic's, something like that, video editing software. It's pretty good software. I haven't messed around with it too much, so bear with me. I'm hoping my videos start getting much better. I'm gonna start working on this video editing thing. And I'm trying to keep the fun in it so it's not a job or a chore. So that way it's just a little hobby. So if it starts becoming a job, then I won't want to do it anymore. And I won't do it anymore. Because if I don't like something, I don't waste my time doing it. That's why I love truck driving, because I love doing it. If I ever begin not to love it, I'll find something else to do in life. That's how it's gonna work. But as of right now, truck driving is my thing because I love it. Don't waste your time on things that you don't enjoy doing. Life's short, man. What do we get? Max probably 100 years on this earth, most of us. Maximum, not even most of us. That's the few. And then out of those years, you get 60, 70 that you can work. And if you spend those years working a miserable job that you don't like doing, that means half your life, more than half your life, you hate it. No, it's not worth it. No money's worth it. Anyway. So let's get this thing on the roll, shall we? Oh yeah, look at, I got the moke. My trucker buddy. Yeah, to my Mokey doke. So guys, check him out. He's gonna be in the videos. Mokey. My daughter loves him. My daughter loves Moke. She loves all animals. Moke, who's a good boy? He had an ear infection, so I had to get him some medicine. Like I said, don't mind this. I had to get him some. We got him some took him to the vet because he got sick on the road with me. And I don't know where it is. I lost his med. He got sick on the road with me. So I had to take him to the vet. get his ears taken care of. He had a yeast infection in there. Huh. Huh. My boy. He keeps me company. My boy. The only thing about it, having him on the road with me is I gotta clean up after him. And he's messy. Alright. Alright guys. I'm getting on the road. I'll see you down in Indiana. Remember, life happens for you, not to you.